is Vivek Biradar. I am from Pune, Maharashtra. I completed my graduation in 2022. I recently completed a 45-day IT internship at eVision Technosales. I came to know about this internship through my friend who recommended eVision Technosales to me. Based on his suggestion, I joined the program and it turned out to be a great decision. I would to sincerely thank Sati ma'am and the entire eVision Technosales team for giving me this valuable opportunity. During my internship, I gained hands-on experience in desktop and laptop troubleshooting, Windows installation and configuration, hardware troubleshooting, basic networking, Microsoft 365, Outlook, printer troubleshooting, Active Directory basics, remote support and ticket handling. I also improve my communication, teamwork, problem solving and customer support skills. I am happy to share that with the knowledge and confidence I gained during this internship, I got placed at Orbit Texel Private Limited with a package of 2.88 LPA. I sincerely thank eVision Technosales. I highly recommended this internship to anyone who wants to build a successful career in the IT industries. Thank you.